the engine of her family. Goldfinch is the engine of her family. Okay. Now she stocks it full. She stocks it full. Okay. Then flirts out a branch ant. Then flirts out to a branch ant. Clear? Showing her weird face. Showing her weird face. Identity mask. Identity mask. I want to explain these two lines. After it, I will tell you last two lines. She stokes it full. Okay. Now the poet wants to describe about the stokes of bird. Goldfinch. Okay. It full. It means she has taken all the things, or she has taken the shelter there, and after it her stocks become full. She feed the children of her and herself. It means the purpose to come at the labrum top has been completed now. Okay. What is completed now? The purpose to come there at the labrum top is completed. Clear to you? Is it clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next, then flirts out to a branch ant. Now she flirts out. It means she moves towards the end of the branch. Okay. यहाँ जैसे वो ट्री के ऊपर आई, ओके, labrum top पर, after it she sit for a little while, and after it she went on a branch and stocks up all the things whatever she wants, and after it she flirts out at the branch end. ओके, यानी कि वो यहाँ पर आकर पहले टॉप पर बैठी, आफ्टर इट she gets shelter there, and now she is at the branch, and now she move from this branch to the end of the branch. Clear? What happened there? It means whatever the purpose to come here, whatever the purpose of her, it is completed. The purpose to come to enter there at the branch is completed now. Okay. Then what happened? Showing her weird face, identity mask. The tree and the bird both were not interlinked with each other. They don't know the identity of the word, yani both don't know identity of each other. Okay, who seated there, he didn't know about the existence of the word. It means now she show the face of her. Face of her. It means it has been clear to the tree, to the labrum top, that the word is there. Word, which word? Goldfinch. Okay, it means tree is unaware of it, that who has got shelter here. It means she gets shelter at the top of labrum tree. Okay, and the tree didn't know about the identity of the bird. Who came here and who sit here. Clear? But when the everything is clear, when she shows the face of her to tree, it means she came out a branch, and after it tree can see the identity of the bird. Clear to you? समझ आ गया सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
पहले नहीं मालूम था उसको कि कौन आया, कौन लैब्रम टॉप पर बैठा, लेकिन अब उसे पता है कि लैब्रम टॉप पर कौन बैठा है. गोल्डफिंच बैठी है, बिकॉज ऑफ शी हैज टेकन देयर शेल्टर फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर पर्पस. ओके, so the purpose has been fulfilled. She was getting shelter there, and now she has taken shelter. That is why the purpose has been completed or fulfilled. Now she is stock set full. It means whatever the purpose of her, it has been completed. Now she moved. She flirted out. It means she moved out to a branch, and it means showing her weird face, identity mask. Now she shows her face to the tree, because of tree doesn't know about the identity. You may write didn't or doesn't, no matter. Now the tree know everything about the tree, knew everything about the word, that goldfinch word has taken shelter there. Clear? Now it means the identity of the goldfinch is clear to the tree. Okay, so now both are interlinked with each other now. Okay, so again I want to tell you, if you have any problem, you may ask. The last line I want to explain. Then with airy delicate vessel, then with airy delicate vessel, chirp, whispering, she launches away towards the infinite. And the labyrinth subsides. Subsides to empty. Okay. Now see, then with airy, delicate whistle chirrup and whispering. Now something happened there in the air, and some airy, delicate whistle. It means from air, enormous, the word enormous, the word, it means listening the voice which is coming to her, that delicate, soft whistling make them cheer up. It means the sound, soft sound make them cheer up, and whispering they with each other, the bird and the children of her. Okay, they whispering with each other, she launches away towards the infinite. Now she launches away, she run away from there, dart away from there, dart away or ran away, D-A-R-T, dart away. Okay, yeah, fly away, you may write here, fly away, ran away, all the correct, you may write anywhere. And she launches away towards the infinite. Where she has gone? Towards the infinite, towards the sky. It means we don't know where she has gone, because of we don't know about the existence of the goldfinch. Although she came there, she lived only for a day or only for a night. It has been not cleared here, but it has been explained that she came there and she takes shelter there for a particular purpose, and after it the tree was happy also, trembled with enjoyment, and she was there also, and she hadn't expressed the identity of herself, but after some time she expressed the identity of herself. After it, the similar sound from where it is coming, nobody knows. The whistling and delicate soft voice, cheer up. Whom cheer up? Cheer up to goldfinch. And they whispering with each other. She launches away towards the infinite. It means where she has gone, we don't know anything, but infinite is the sky. That is why I am telling you, she has run away, or she has dart away, she has fly away in the infinite sky. Clear to you, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And the labyrinth top subsides to empty. Now the condition of the labyrinth top, it becomes empty now. It becomes empty now because of there is no existence of anyone there. Clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I am giving some questions from the poem. It means all the stringers, all the linings of the poem has been explained. And now if you want to know anything, you may ask, and after it I will ask question from it.
Ma'am, subsides means?
Subside, it means live alone, nobody was there. Subsides to empty, वापस से खाली हो गया. Now again he became empty, nobody was there. Okay, subsides मतलब चला जाना, अलग हट जाना, ये कहलाता है subsides. Okay.
Ma'am, thrills.
What?
Thrills. THRILLS.
Where is the word? Spelling बोलिए फिर से. TH
RILLS.
as thrills, excitement. I have already told you. Yesterday I have told you excitement.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So everything is clear now. May I ask some questions from it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Stranger-wise questions will be asked to you, and you will be capable to give answer. Then you may give answer also. Okay. So why is the image of engine evoked by the poet? Why is the image why does image of engine evoke by poet? Why does image of engine evoke by poet? Yes. Anybody is capable to give answer? Tell me, why is the image of the engine evoked by the poet? Nobody can tell? Why is the engine used for the word goldfinch? Why is the engine used for the image
Ma'am,
of
because
बोलिए.
Ma'am, because of her wings, he fly in the sky. That's why it is used as engine.
Okay, according to you, this answer is correct. Anybody else can give answer? Lakshmi, what should be answer according to you?
Ma'am, the poet links the sudden bustles of the young ones. Where the birds show the identity of their tree and
Okay. Now I am telling you. Why does image of engine evoke by poet? Poet evokes the image of engine due to the importance of her family. Word is responsible to feed her child her children and doing all the important work, all the needed things you may write, needed things, doing all the needed things for her family as mother has done. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now in this poem, the poet evokes the image of Injan due to the importance of her family. Importance should not be written here. We may write here, the poet evokes the image of Injan due to the importance for her family. Of is not used here. For his family. For should be used here. Okay? For her family. Word is responsible to feed her children and doing all the needed things. It means we may write here also just as making next. Okay? So for her family as mother has done. And what are the responsibilities of your mother? You know very well. That is why she was also doing all the responsible work of her family. That is why the Injan word is used here for the goldfinch one. Clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question I want to ask you. You may write this answer also. Have you written? Because of I will not give it again, you may write here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, some small question from the stranger I will ask. Very short question. Okay. So now I am telling you very short question. First question, why does the labrum top is quite still? What will be the answer of it? Tell me. Why?
Ma'am, because the no one.
Yes, because. Yes, बोलिए.
Ma'am, because no one were there.
Because no one was there. Okay. Any other answer can be? Anybody else can give answer? Hello students, anybody else can give answer?
Ma'am, because no one was going and coming from that part.
Because nobody wants to come and nobody wants to get shelter on it. You may write this also, okay? Nobody wants to get shelter there. Why does nobody wants to get shelter there?
Because the seeds and the leaves of the tree is poisonous.
Why does nobody want to take shelter there? Okay. What will be the answer according to you?
Because its seeds was poisonous.
Anything else?
Ma'am, the leaves were not more. They
Only some leaves were there. Only some leaves were there. And anything else? Next, only some leaves were there. And its seed
pollen.
were were poisonous. Okay, that's why nobody wants to get shelter there. Clear to you? Have you written
Yes, ma'am.
these? सबको बोल दीजिएगा. If they will come in the class, then they will write all answers because of it is necessary to write. Have you written these? Meira?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Who came there? Who came there?
Goldfinch.
Yes. You may write here who come. Okay? Who comes there? Goldfinch. Word to come there. What happened then? What happened then? तब क्या हुआ? What happened then? Anybody can tell? Short answer type questions will be given in the examination and you will write them one line answer. What happened then after it?
She takes shelter there.
She takes shelter there, okay. But what happened with the tree? How was the tree fail?
Ma'am, she enters the thickness of the tree.
I'm not asking about the thickness. I'm asking only what happened there after it.
Ma'am, the tree didn't know the identity of the goldfinch.
Okay, but I am asking only for the sudden action which is taken by the tree. I'm asking about it.
Ma'am, the tree compared the goldfinch to the lizard.
So tree is not compared here, only poet compare here. Okay, it means आप एक चीज समझ नहीं पा रहे हो बच्चों. मैं ये पूछना चाह रही हूं कि क्या हुआ था उस पेड़ पर जब गोल्ड फिंच आई. व्हाट हैपन? इट, एक लाइन है, देखिए इसको, आप देख नहीं पा रहे हैं. क्या किया था उसने, क्या हो गया था तब? द होल ट्री लिखा हुआ है ना, मिला?
Trembling and thrills.
Yes, it trembles and thrills. You may write thrills also and excitement also. Okay, बच्चों? You may write excitement also. Thrills and excitement. Both are correct. But if you will write answers from the poem, then it is the quality of the answers that most of the words should be used from the poem. Okay? चाहे आपका लिटरेचर हो या फिर कंपल्सरी हो, most of the word should be come from the poem. So that is why thrills is the best. If you want to write anything else, then you may write. Okay, next. Where she has gone now?
In the sky.
आंसर बताइए. जिस तरह से आप लिखेंगे ना कॉपी में, ऑन दैट वे.
Ma'am, she has gone in the sky.
She has gone, और डार्ट लिख सकते हैं आप. She has fly या flown आएगा, थर्ड फॉर्म. Flown away in the sky. Okay, infinite sky. You may write there also. Okay, students, everything is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the timings of literature, I think. So I want to close. ज़्यादा हो गया है, बल्कि लिटरेचर का टाइम भी मैंने इधर ही ले लिया. आई वॉन्ट टू पुट ऑफ. ओके, लिटरेचर की क्लास 15 मिनट्स की होगी केवल. अब पोएम पढ़ा रही हूँ मैं, पीकॉक. वी विल कंप्लीट इट.